Hey folks, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a program that doesn't get as much attention as payment plans or offers in compromise, but it can be a lifeline for people in tough financial situations. It's called the Currently Non-Collectible Status, or CNC program. Here's the basic idea. If you owe the IRS money, but you genuinely cannot afford to pay anything, not even a small monthly payment, the IRS can place your account in Currently Non-Collectible Status. When that happens, they'll stop all collection activity. That means no wage garnishments, no bank levies, no seizures. They essentially put your account up on the shelf. Now, this doesn't mean your debt goes away. You still owe the money and interest continues to accrue. The IRS will also file a federal tax lien against you, but the active collection stops, and that can give you breathing room you need to get back on your feet. So who qualifies? The IRS looks at your income and your allowable living expenses. If your necessary expenses, things such as housing, food, transportation, healthcare, equal or exceed your income, you're probably going to qualify. They're not going to put you on the street or take food off your table to collect a tax debt, so that's a good thing. Now, to request CNC status, you'll typically need to provide financial documentation, things like pay stubs, bank statements, proof of expenses. The IRS will verify that you truly can't pay. If your situation changes down the road and your income increases, they may also pull your bank account or pull your account back out and resume collection efforts. So CNC doesn't necessarily stay in effect forever. Here's the silver lining. The IRS only has 10 years to collect a tax debt. That's called the Collection Statute Expiration Date, or CSED. While you're in CNC status, that clock keeps running. So if you stay in CNC long enough, your debt could eventually expire and be written off. Currently non-collectible status isn't a permanent solution, but it can be exactly what you need when you're in a financial crisis. If you're struggling and the IRS is breathing down your neck, talk to a tax professional about whether CNC might be right for your situation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.